Welcome, here I've got REALME 8 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to pick the composition option to see the grids and guides option. We can pick this to the photo or to the video. Let me focus on the photo now. And when we tap here, we can add some grid lines to our camera preview, the grid, diagonal lines and gold spiral. Let me start with grid. Now when we go back to the camera, we can see these lines. And this is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Let's tap to the right corner once again to the composition, the photo grids and guides, and pick the diagonal lines now. And in the preview, we can see that this is how they look like. This is also useful when we want to making experiments with composition. Another tap to the right corner to the composition and to the photo. And now let's move to the gold spiral. And in the preview, we can see that this is how it looks like now. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture or video. So when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see this spiral on the real picture. So all of these lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we need another one or don't need them at all, we have to tap to the right corner to the composition and here to the picture, to none, to turn them off. In the video we have access only to the grid in the standard view. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.